Welcome back to another video here at GraphX Academy. Today I'm going to show you how to create a high-energy social media short, riding the massive hype of the 2026 World Cup. To kick things off, we need to build our timeline sequence tailored specifically for social media. Head over to the Project panel, click on the New Item icon at the bottom right, and select Sequence. From there, we are going to configure a vertical mobile format to ensure our edit perfectly fits the smartphone screen. Give your sequence a custom name, then drag your footage right into the timeline. Fortunately, we already have all our raw clips and motion titles ready to go. If you want to dive deeper into these workflows and truly master post-production, head over to graphxacademy.com to check out our premium courses. Once your clip is on the timeline, let's clean up the scratch audio. Right-click the clip, hit Unlink, and delete that background white noise. Next, bring in your music track and sync it perfectly with the on-screen action. Using the remix tool to automatically retime the beat to your exact video length. Now import your titles and let's speed up the editing process using the automated Scene Edit Detection tool. Just right-click your clip, select Scene Edit Detection, check Apply a Cut at each detected cut point, and Premiere Pro will instantly chop your footage into individual editable scenes. Finally, organize your timeline. Apply your favorite visual effects, transitions, and stylized grading to the titles and video to your liking. And just like that, you've got your very first World Cup edit ready to go viral.
But wait, we're not done yet. You can keep leveling up your skills with our From Zero to Expert courses at GraphX Academy. This is where you'll go from a beginner to a pro editor in no time. Plus, our courses are Adobe certified, so you're getting industry-recognized training. Head over to the link in the description and start your journey today.
Subscribe to the channel and check out our other videos.